Hi there, welcome back. I was just enjoying my evening tea. Today we'll be making veg kofta curry Kolhapuri style. Now Kolhapur is famous for two things, spicy food and kanda lasun masala. If you don't find kanda lasun masala or Kolhapuri masala, you can substitute with red chili powder and garam masala. I know it will be a little difference of taste, but it's still better than nothing. So let's go ahead and see how it's made. Come on.
Let's make the koftas first. These ingredients will make your koftas super yummy and crispy. In fact, you will feel like having them as is once they are fried. Adjust salt as per your taste. The detailed recipe is in the description box below, so do check it out. We are not going to add any water as the cabbage will ooze out moisture and we can bind the koftas with that much moisture. Mix well and combine into a dough. You will see how it has started coming together. We are now going to make lemon-sized balls. You don't have to rest them, we can just fry them right away. Deep fry until golden, making sure they fry evenly on all sides. I would like to thank everyone for your love and support. Keep it coming. Look at how yummy they look. Keep them aside. Now let's make the gravy. I'm using the same oil in which I fried the koftas. Saute the onion until golden. I have taken roughly chopped garlic and ginger. Just mix it well. We will cook the tomato until soft. Cashews and coconut powder will give a slight thickness to the gravy. We are going to cook this until mushy. Keep it aside to cool. And blend to a smooth paste. Again, I'm using the same oil for cooking. Adding whole spices will enhance the flavor of the curry. We are going to cook the masala paste until the oil separates. It may take a few minutes, but we have to make sure the masala paste cooks well. You can see the oil floating on top. Now let's add the rest of the ingredients. This is kanda lasun masala or Kolhapuri masala. Paprika is just used for color. Cook the spices for a few seconds. Once we add the water, we will bring it to a boil. Look at how beautiful the curry looks already. Cover and cook for about 10 minutes. The kofta curry is ready. We will garnish and assemble this dish. Drop the koftas in the curry before serving. Look at how awesome this kofta curry looks and the aroma is amazing. Hope you like this recipe. Enjoy.
I hope you like this recipe. I know it's a bit spicy, but if you like it, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next week. Bye.